One of the first elements of artificial intelligence or AI technology you can use in your company is voice recognition. If you have any interaction with customers or vendors or clients that is done by voice through the phone, even in person, through the web, you can transfer that to a voice recognition system so that as a person has regular conversation, that voice description can be recognized as phrases, as words, and it can return back to them product information, basic information about your company. Of course, if it's overseen by a human, you can always step in when a human needs to, but it can automate a lot of the basic conversations, especially from vendors who are looking to check on status of payment or status of orders. Those kind of repetitive conversations, which for a human, it's very tedious to say the same thing over and over 10 times a day. Sometimes humans get frustrated, like, why do I have to explain this again? Well, to the caller, that's the first time they've asked this question. So it's a disconnect between expectations between a caller or an inquirer to your company and the employee. By putting that onto an artificial intelligence agent who can recognize the same questions, even if it's not word for word, they can recognize the intent of that caller and transmit it to a system that gives them the right information, the order number, the payment information, the invoice, the check number, whatever it is. It takes the burden off of that employee, not just the time, but the emotional draining of responding to the same questions over and over. That will help get your company started with AI, to be the first steps towards AI, so that your employees become more valuable and you start mixing in intelligent technology to make your company run smoother and take away a lot of the drain and drudgery for your employees.